Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you a new way to make money online for beginners. So let's get started. So some people are making as $10,000 a month also by this method. So here first of all we will go to our raw pixel. So raw pixel is a site where the people upload their non-copyrighted images. So you have to search at raw pixel. So here we have a free stock image. Okay. So here you have to just join for free, or you can just log in also. So here you can just do the Google sign in. If it is not doing, we can just go to our home, and we can see as here our at the home page we have the search button. We can just scroll. So here are many images. Okay, so here we have to just choose the images like bird, like a simple image. Okay, not that harder, but simple image. Like we can search as a bird image, a bird, and we can just separate them for others like bird paint. Okay, we can search as bird paint, like bird sketch, or we can just search as bird png also. So here we need to scroll down and we have to just select for the bird. You can see as this is a duck type of thing, duck man. You can see a duck man type of thing. So we will like here only it will be. So we will download in our original size. So here it is like a premium, so we want the free stuff. So in free we can just search for the image. So here we can just scroll down. So here we can just see here we have to just select the images. Okay, so we'll search for the image like bird, lion, simple images. Okay, not that hard images. A bird image you can just search as free. Okay, so here you can see it's free, so it's written free. So we will select easy and good image. Okay, so it takes time, so we have to give the time. So here you can see this image is looking good. So this is having a background, so let's not choose this. We can just use this image. So this image is looking somewhat good. So we can just download this. So we'll click on here, let's save pictures. So here is our picture. We can just open in Canva. So here you can see it's uploading file. So we can just open and remove the background that is showing in the PNG form. So we will remove the background. So here we can just save it to download. We can just download. So here is our one image ready. So when you have ready this image, you have to just search for printify.com. Printify. So here we can see at the Printify. So if you click on the first option, so it's a POD service, print on demand service type of provider. So we have to just click for start for free. So here we can see we have option for sign up. We can just do sign up from the Google. Just confirm the Gmail account. So here I am a social influencer. I have a first doing offline business, store setup to get started, uh, Google Find search, and here we have to disconnect the product. So we have to just click on start designing. So here we can see our products are here. So for example, I will take this is a kid shirt. So we will take a unisexual t-shirt that can women and men can wear. So I'm taking a men t-shirt. So here we will select the cheapest shirt that are available here, and we will sell it to the highest price that we can sell. So this is a unisex shirt, uh, cloth tee. You can just see it. So we can just start designing here. From here we can just add some designs also. So we can just add from a device. So the design was in our download. So we'll click on the downloads. So here we can just open it. So it is adding to a library. So it's loading. We can just wait. So here we can just make it bigger. For example, you can make like t-shirt like this, or you can just tilt it from here. You can just do like this and make it bigger. You can just make it somewhat smaller now, and then just tilt it. This is looking good, or we can just do like this also. So this is our t-shirt ready. So we will select this. So the background color will be white only. So white look good. And red it will good look or not look good. Yellow not. You know, set as pink. So pink it's also looking good. So we will save the product. So here we can see these are all stock sizes that we are doing, and here is our retail, and we are taking as margin as our 40%. So we can just change the margin also of the product. So our profit we are selling retailing price will be 17 to $18, and our profit will be $7 and each. So we will say we can just connect our store. So if you don't have a store, we can just connect a store from here. So to connect a store, for here I'm using as Redbubble. You can use other sites also, but Redbubble is safer and easy to use. So we will come here, and here you can see we can start selling our Redbubble. So for there we are selling as bird tea. So we'll search as birds t-shirt. So here you can see it's a simple t-shirt using mockups. So you can just connect the store, and you can sell here. They're selling for $19, $18. So you can just decrease your profit margin. You can just become the top seller of this, and you can just earn thousands of dollars from here. So this is how you can just make money from your uh, POD service, or you are making money with this new method. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.